Going to see how to make 2D plans from point cloud using RealWorks. We got a small sample room here, and we're going to create some plans out of this plan. So we just go into drawings and then choose the point cloud and use the cutting plane tool. The cutting plane tool just slices about the point cloud and gives you the view of the point cloud in that particular direction. So I'm going to choose an X direction. Like you can take an option of X, Y, Z, and maybe you have another option to pick a surface, pick a line, which then forms a plane. So right now my plane is cutting through in the Z-axis direction. So what I'm going to do is just going to pick up the top of the point cloud, so it gives me a very good view of the objects in there. Then I just drag the point cloud to a place where I can find a good view of all the walls on the objects. So I think this is a better view. One way to verify this is like if you just rotate to the top view here, and you will be able to see the same structure or see the same shapes here as well. So it's done. So like I'm just okay with what I'm going to do or what I got here. So I'm just going to create some of the to create a plan out of this. So just I'm going to go to this and then use this option here, 2D easy line. So just press on 2D easy line now. So I've got my 2D lines here. You have an option just to create a small bit of lines. You're using automated tools. So I'm going to just say like preview, then it creates the lines around the point cloud. It pretty much is okay. If you are okay with it, just click apply, and then it creates the polyline. So and just say create and close. So now you have got the plan of the building, which is like created automatically. So you can also, the other option is you can also create them manually. So I'm going to create it manually again. Just go to plan view, also cutting plane view, and then I choose my plane on which my cutting plane is going to be. So here I have got my cutting plane, and in this time I'm going to make it look manual, all the points in the manual. So we have an option here which is like 2D drawing in 2D polylines. This has little bit of options, so I just go here and I'm going to draw this box. You have two options to draw a box, like a rectangle. So press here, and I get, so this is a rectangle, and I just got circle. And circle I have two options, end to end, so I just press here and then here. Okay, similarly for the circle, I press here and here. It gives you the good shape of the columns you are having there, gives you the best fit as well. since I have drawn my column, so I'm going to draw my outer boundaries manually. So I just choose this polyline and then I go drawing it. I got an arc here, so I change over to arc and then here, then again change over to line, again I got to change over to arc mode. We can edit the arc directions later on, so just keep the drawing going, and I just got here. Again I've got an arc and I just change over to arc, then just change over to line mode. So if I have to edit my arc, just I have to go just keep the bring the node here and it just fits the arc. So just pull in a node and then just bring it here. It fits the arc. Just bring the node and then just bring it here. It fits the arc. Okay, now that my plan has been generated, I can create the plan, then say create and close. So I have got my building plan ready. You can also cut into multiple sections. So when I go to the point cloud and create a cutting plane, in Z direction I can create multiple sections. So you just have to press, so it creates multiple sections here, and if you just go section by section, you'll be able to see what's there in the sections as well. So it's pretty handy tool when you come to when you want to have some inspections done. So this is just